Hey guys! Today I'll show you how to do options trading on Robinhood step by step. First, open the Robinhood app and search for the stock, ETF, or index you want to trade options on. Tap on the name, then hit Trade Arrow Trade Options. Now choose your strategy and expiration date. Scroll sideways to find future dates. Below that, you'll see different strike prices. Scroll up or down to explore them. On the right side, you'll see the premium, price, and the percent change. Pick the contract you want, then tap it to proceed. Here's the important part. Swipe right to buy or open a position, swipe left to sell or close it. If it's a pending order, swipe right to cancel or left to replace. Before you place a trade, make sure you've selected the correct account, like individual or IRA. You'll also see things like break-even price, where the stock needs to be at expiration for no loss. Chance of profit, an estimate based on market models. You can set the order type. Good for day, GFD, means it cancels at the end of the day. If not filled good till canceled, GTC, stays active up to 90 days. Robinhood shows natural price by default, but you can switch to mark price, the midpoint between bid and ask, while trading. Lastly, to trade options, you need approval. Level 2 allows basic strategies like long calls and puts. Level 3 gives access to advanced trades like spreads and iron condors. That's it. That's how you start trading options on Robinhood. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns.